Hello everyone, welcome to our session on Exploring Ideas with Starbursting, a question-based approach to brainstorming. Today we will explore how these methods can enhance our brainstorming sessions. Starbursting is a brainstorming technique that focuses on generating questions rather than answers. The main purpose of this method is to explore all aspects of an idea, project, or decision. Starbursting is important because it encourages comprehensive exploration of a topic, facilitates understanding of all aspects of a problem or decision, and it promotes curiosity and inquiry. Finally, it's useful for both individual and group brainstorming. To use starbursting effectively, you start with a central idea, decision, or problem, then generate as many questions as possible about the central idea. Remember, there's no need to answer the questions during the brainstorming phase. While you can use any set of questions or any framework to create your questions, if unsure, a good way to start is by using this typical framework of asking who, what, when, where, why, and how questions. When leading a starbursting workshop, it's important to set clear objectives, ensure understanding of the starbursting method, and facilitate the process of question generation, and of course, manage time effectively. For an in-person starbursting workshop, you'll need tools like large paper sheets and markers. Write the central topic in the middle of the paper and have participants generate questions radiating out from the center. For a virtual starbursting workshop, you'll need virtual whiteboard tools like Miro or Mural and video conferencing software like Zoom or Teams. The process is similar to in-person, but all activities are done virtually. Participants can add their questions to the virtual whiteboard. Let's look at an example. Suppose the objective is to explore the potential challenges and opportunities of launching a new product. We gather a cross-functional team of 8 members. The workshop would last for 2 hours. We would define the central topic for 15 minutes, generate questions for 60 minutes, and then review and categorize the questions in the remaining 45 minutes. For this example, we would use our question framework of who, what, when, where, why, and how to ask specifics relative to the new product launch. Remember, this is just a starting point. The ultimate goal is to generate as many questions as possible to explore all aspects of the product launch. For a successful workshop, ensure everyone understands the objective and the starbursting method. Encourage everyone to participate. Promote a judgment-free environment. Keep the energy levels high, and don't forget to follow up on the questions generated. To recap, starbursting is a powerful tool for fostering inquiry and exploration. It's a process that encourages free-flowing questions and discourages criticism. I encourage you all to apply the techniques learned today in your respective fields. For further information, we've compiled a list of references on starbursting and other brainstorming techniques, and they are available in this course website via PDF. Thank you.